Hi guys, it's Michaela and I am back to film a Black Friday haul for you guys. So Thursday after Thanksgiving at 6 o'clock I went straight to the mall and I did some Black Friday shopping. I didn't go too crazy because like all the stores, they weren't having like as much deals or sales, and if they were, I didn't really see anything that I liked. So let's just get started. Pink, because I mean everyone goes there, like, right? So at Pink, I'm pretty sure all you guys know they had like $30 outfits, so you get a $30 hoodie. It's all black, and like right there it's just a white logo that says gym pants that they had, and then if you roll it over it just says Pink all around, and these are super comfortable. So I got this maroon and then and black half zip, and it just says Pink right there, and these are really comfortable and stretchy. And also I did pick up a pack. They had 3 of them. These were $19.95. It's just a black and white little ladybug print, and then green. Cute. It's all rhinestone, and it just says Victoria's Secret. Here's the Black Friday body mist. I got 1,000 Wishes, Joyful, and Mad About You, and this was Japanese Cherry Blossom, and this is like by far my favorite scent at Bath and Body Works, and I had to get it because like the new packaging is moisture cream, like buttercreams. I got 1,000 Wishes, Merry Berry Christmas, and Velvet Sugar. And honestly the only Christmas scent that I got was Merry Berry Christmas, and this is amazing. Like it's just so fruity. And also I got French Lavender Honey, and I just got like an outfit in here. Like they had the whole store 50% off, but as again I did not see anything like worth my while to buy. I just got this black thick sweater, and it's very comfortable, very thick. And then right down here it just says BB in gold, and it is very to go with that sweater. I did get these jegging pants material in a maroon color, and these I have like a whole bunch of these in different colors, and on the butt it just says BB right there in gold. And this is like an amazing cute outfit, and not least I went to Guess, and boom. I've been wanting a pair of black riding boots for the longest. I've been wanting a pair of black riding boots for the longest, and I couldn't seem to find like a perfect pair that I loved, and plus in my size. Black riding boots are what it has a little heel. It zips all the way up, and then right here it just says Guess, and right there it has a G that says Guess. These are super comfortable. These were $120, and they had 60% off, so I paid like about $50 or $60 for these, and they are gorgeous. They'll go perfectly with